Hello, beautiful soul. This week we have a beautiful, deep and dark and uncovering, unearthing week, I sense this week, as we move towards, and already the veil between worlds is thinner. Mother Nature is calling us to deeply be grounded and rooted within her own roots, within her own core. And that can be called to us by, us feeling the energies that are coming in, what we're being open to, lots of different energies, powerful energies, but also they can be activating energies as well. And through these activations that we're feeling through our body right now, nature, our mother, our sacred mother, is here to support us through these times. As we're being called into new beginnings with this beautiful and powerful new moon on Friday, we may be feeling not only the shedding of old beliefs, but more a surfacing of insights and deep wisdom and truths that we have perhaps been brushing away or slightly putting to one side, the sides of ourselves, the parts of ourselves that truly need us to love them into becoming. So if you're sensing these energies at the moment, our beautiful Mother Earth is inviting us to be deeply rooted in her and to understand and to know the wisdom of being in our bodies this week, to recognise what's calling us from deep within ourselves, to be with, to bring the deepest loving arms to. And I find when at these times of the year that the trees call me even more than ever. So the invitation this week is to answer that call of Mother Nature, of our sacred mother, to go deep into her core, to go deep into the womb of the earth, perhaps to be with your own centre, and invite her to share her wisdom with you, to share the parts of you that perhaps have been wounded or troubled over times, and to be able to work with Mother Earth's energies to help you to heal those wounds, and reaching up into the cosmos, into the energies, the frequencies, the higher frequencies, to also ask for support from the highest energies that are here, that are all around us, to help us through these times when our shadows are being sensed. But importantly, to be in our bodies with all of this, so that we're not caught up in creating more attachments to our wounds, more increasing our pain and suffering, but instead to take the deep wisdom from our challenges and to bring them to the light, to become the light through them, through that deep nurturing through being rooted in our bodies, in Mother Earth, and bringing calm and peace to our minds. And I really want to send you so much love if you're sensing these energies right now, but to know that this is a door. We call it the veil, but it is a doorway that's opening for us to step through it, and to know that there is so much personal wisdom and power that we can gain from being in our bodies, being grounded, being calm, being present, and responding to the energies that are within us and around us. And most importantly, this week, nurturing yourself, nourishing yourself, creating space for this work to be done. So, sending you so much love for this blessed time of transition, this space between, and also the wonderful new moon on Friday. Take some time now to be in your body, to gain the wisdom, to garner the wisdom from your challenges, from things from the past. Be present with them and create anew from this beautiful fire that is waiting for you to light it from within.